Hi everyone, my name is Muneeb and I'm a staff design verification engineer. So welcome today for the introduction to Linux and how do you start learning about Linux operating system and its commands. So this is my Linux terminal. Well, you can have a Linux operating system machine or you can have Windows machine on which you have WSS called Windows Subsystem for Linux. So now let's say if you're on the system, okay, one of the Linux command is pwd, which says what is the directory path. So this video is just intended so that you get all the required pointers to start learning Linux on your own. So one of the first things that I would want to show is to check whether a shell called tcsh is installed or not. How would you do that? You would do which tcsh. Okay, so if you click enter, it will, if the software is installed, it'll show you it's installed. If it's not installed, you could actually install by using yum install tcsh. Okay, now once that is done, and if you have it, just click tcsh and enter. So this will basically change your shell script. Now, there are a few prerequisites. For example, installing and having TCS is one. The other thing is that we need to get the Linux course, which I've kept it on open source. Open source is the platform where the code is available to anybody. So I promote free education. I want everybody to learn things such that it is more accessible. So what I've done is I've actually placed in something called GitHub. So GitHub is a place where you can store all of your code. So let me go here. So this is my Linux course that is there. Here you can see there's a lot of folders on which you have the documents and even the code as well. So here you see there's something called a wiki page. So if I click on the wiki page, you see there's a lot of documentation about. So what's Linux? And on the left-hand side, you have all the different types of command that we have. So you can click to one, you can always move there and you can read more about it. And not only that, we even have a lot of GIFs, which will really help you to get started to start learning about this. Okay, now going back to this. Now, when you click on this code, you'll have something called HTTPS or SSH. Well, you can copy any link. So you can come here, click on this copy, and then come to your terminal and do git clone. Now, in order to do this, you need to check whether the git is installed. So you would do which git. Git is a software which is used for version control. So you would do git clone, and then you would paste. So now what this is trying to do, we're trying to get the Linux course from the open source GitHub that we have. So as you see, it's been downloaded onto your computer. CD is basically to change into the directory. Now, the other requirement, once you CD into this directory, I want you to basically do source terminal colors. This is important whenever we want to display, in terms of red, green. So that you will see when you execute the labs. But this is another requirement apart from TCSH. So source the terminals and you're good. Now you can go ahead and learn any command that you want. And if you do ls, it will display you the content. So you can see a lot of folders that we have. And as I showed you the wiki page, you can go through in detail of each command and come here to execute. So let's say you're interested in ls command. So you can cd into this directory. Now, once you cd, you can see the lot more, variations of ls command. So you can do source. Let's say I'm interested to learn ls all command, right? So the corresponding info is in the wiki page. So let me go there. So if I come into the wiki page, and let's say you want to learn the ls, and in ls you want to learn ls-a, right? So you click on it. This gives you an explanation about what is ls-a. It basically says that it is used for displaying all the contents, including your hidden files as well. And we have a GIF which says source ls-a.chs file. And you can see the link to this as well. So all I need to do is source ls-a.csh. So if I press enter, this is going to help you learn as well. So it says the command is ls-a. The description is whole list of current directories, including even the hidden files. So the expected output is this. So in the green that you see, it's asking you, please try the below command and compare with the output. So it's asking a prompt enter command. So I need to type it properly and correctly. So ls is a command. Space hyphen A is an option for hidden files. If I press enter, it says the actual output is correct. The dot and double dots are hidden files. Now I can go ahead and learn new commands as well. So let's say I want to execute hyphen all, right? That's another command. So how would you do? ls star means it is going to display you the directory, subdirectories, all files. So I can do ls and then star. It is showing me that, okay, I've understood it. So we have this place where you can execute all of your commands to learn, and we have the wiki page where you can learn about this. I hope this really helps you to get started with your amazing journey of learning Linux operating system and its command. Thank you.